Fun facts about the human body that you probably didn't know. The human brain contains about 86 million neurons. Hey, did you know that your nose can recognize over 1 trillion scents? The human body, of course, has 206 bones, but babies are born with 300 bones. Your stomach lining gets replaced every 3 to 4 days to prevent it from digesting itself. Your skin is the largest organ on your body, and you may have known that, but did you know that your skin makes up about 16% of your body weight? Humans shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. Your heart beats around 100,000 times per day, and it moves about 2,000 gallons of blood per day. Hey, did you know that humans are the only animals with chins? The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. Fingernails grow faster on your dominant hand. Blood makes up about 7 to 8% of your total body weight. The strongest muscle relative to its size is your jaw muscle. Did you know that the human body has about 60,000 miles of blood vessels? Your body replaces about 2 million red blood cells every second. If you were to compare ounce for ounce, your bones are stronger than steel. Humans lose about 30,000 to 50,000 skin cells every minute. Humans have about as many hair follicles as chimpanzees, it's just that our hair is much finer. Hey, did you know that the average human body has enough carbon to make 900 pencils? Your ears and nose never stop growing throughout your entire life. The small intestine is about 22 feet long, making it longer than the large intestine. You blink about 15 to 20 times per minute, which comes out to be 28,800 times per day on average. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve metal. The only part of the body that cannot heal itself is tooth enamel. Your liver has the amazing ability to regenerate. It can regrow itself even if up to 75% of it was removed. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. Your feet have about 250,000 sweat glands and can produce up to a half a pint of sweat per day. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. The human brain uses about 20% of the entire human body's oxygen supply. Hey, did you know that humans have unique tongue prints just like fingerprints? On average, you breathe about 22,000 times per day. Your body contains about 37.2 trillion cells. Humans produce about 1 to 1.5 liters of saliva per day. Hey, did you know that a human sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? Bless you. Your sense of taste is weaker than your sense of smell. Up to 80% of flavor can come from your nose. The average human adult has about 5 liters of blood. Did you know that human teeth are as strong as shark teeth? Maybe I should collect a human tooth necklace. Your brain can generate about 23 watts of power, which is enough to power a small light bulb. The human eye can detect light from a small candle flame that is lit up to 1.7 miles away under the right light conditions. The average lifespan of a human hair is 3 to 7 years. The bones in your feet make up about 25% of the bones in your entire body. Every person has a unique smell, and it's influenced by genetics, diet, and your environment. The human brain triples in size in the first year of life. Your blood travels around 12,000 miles a day through your body. The cornea is the only part of the body with no blood supply. It gets oxygen directly from the air. Humans can survive longer without food than they can sleep. You can live about 3 weeks without food, but you can only live about 11 days without sleep. Your hair grows faster in warm environments due to the increased blood circulation. About 1% of the human population can hear color or see sounds. It's a condition called synesthesia. Your bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. Essentially, you get a new skeleton about every 10 years. Humans are the only species known to cry emotional tears. Yawning is contagious, and scientists believe it may be related to social bonding. Your body contains enough iron to make a small snail. The body has over 600 muscles, with the smallest being found in the ear. The only muscle that never tires is the heart. Your taste buds are replaced every 10 to 14 days. Human bones are about 31% water. Did you know that humans are the only animals that blush? That's embarrassing. The brain is more active at night than it is during the day. Hey, did you know that your pinky contributes 50% of your hand's strength? You produce around 25,000 quarts of saliva in your lifetime. That's enough to fill 2 swimming pools. Gross. The average human walks the equivalent of 5 times around the earth in their lifetime. Did you know that your liver performs over 5 500 functions. The average person has about 250 hairs per square inch of skin. The surface area of your lungs is roughly the same size as a tennis court. The only bone not connected to another is the hyoid bone found in the back of the throat. Your sense of smell is strongest during the teenage years. Did you know that the body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold, mostly in the blood? Humans are actually bioluminescent, but the light is so weak that the human eye cannot see it. The body can detect taste in about 0.0015 seconds faster than the blink of an eye. The human hand has 29 major and minor bones and 34 muscles that control its movement. You cannot breathe and swallow at the same time because the windpipe and the esophagus are too close together. Admit it, you just tried. Human hair is virtually indestructible except for fire, and it doesn't decompose easily. It's impossible to tickle yourself because your brain can detect the sensation. The human body is home to 39 trillion bacteria, most of which live in your gut. The strongest bone in the human body is the femur, which can withstand pressure of up to 2,500 pounds. Your brain can hold about 2.5 petabytes of information, which is roughly equivalent to 3 million hours of television. Goosebumps are a leftover reflex from when humans had more body hair. If uncoiled, your DNA could stretch from the earth to the sun and back over 600 times. Your eyes can focus on about 50 different objects every single second. Your body gives off enough heat in 30 minutes to boil a gallon of water. Your ears secrete more earwax when you're stressed out or afraid. The muscles that control your eyes contract about 100,000 times per day. There are more nerve cells in the human brain than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. In a lifetime, the average human breathes about 400 million liters of air. Did you know that your hand can click the like button to like this video and subscribe to my channel? Please have the best day. Take care.